Good morning and welcome back. This is day 3 of my 5-day split of the last week in my bulk of this bulking period. Started the day as I always do, some black coffee and a bowl of cereal with a scoop of protein. I usually have Cheerios, but my mom dropped off some Lucky Charms and it is bulking season, so I'm gonna miss the sugar after this week. But yeah, I had my coffee, had my cereal, and it is time to work out. Today is back and biceps day. I will be starting off with some bent over rows using the 50-pound dumbbells. And if I want a PR this week, I've got to beat 4 sets of 14 reps. Let's do this. Alright, knocked out 4 sets of 15, new PR. Now it is time for lawnmower rows, 4 sets on each side. Last week I did 4 sets of 14 reps, so to beat that today I will be going for 15. Great success. Alright, next is dumbbell pullovers. I will be using one 35-pound dumbbell, 3 sets. I need to beat last week's number of 3 sets of 14. Okay, that is done. Next up, I have reverse grip rows, 4 sets. Last week I did 4 sets of 10, so I'm going for 4 sets of 11. Woo! Next up, standing bicep curls, 3 sets. I'll be using 35-pound dumbbells, which is a little heavy on curls for me, but last week I did it for 9 reps, 3 sets, so see if I could go up at all. Wish me luck. Fuck. Three sets of 10. Woo! Alright, more curls coming up. This time while sitting on the incline bench, I'll be using 25-pound dumbbells, 3 sets. And to beat last week's numbers, I gotta do greater than 11 reps on each set. Pump. Fuck! Alright, last exercise of the day. Shoulder flies, 15-pound dumbbells. I'll be doing myo rep sets, so as many reps as I can to basically failure on the first set. Rest a minute, and then I'll be going again, and I need to match that number I got in the first set, as many sets as it takes. So if I have to take a break, I'll put the dumbbells down for 5 to 10 seconds and then get right back at it till I get those numbers. Whew! shoulders are fried already. 19 reps. Ah! Day 3 is complete. My back felt strong today. I gave it a good workout, but it felt strong. My biceps are crushed. But tomorrow, recovery day. Take it easy. Back Friday with my second leg day of the week. And then Saturday will be my last lift of this bulk period. Sunday will be a recovery day. And it's probably going to be a fairly bad cheat day as it's the last day of my bulk. What's up? After that, week of maintenance deload, and then time for the gut. I don't know what I'm doing. Get sweaty.